case that I have is not cutting it. Oh, they're thick. Like an Amazon case could never feel as good as this feels. Hi guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My TikTok is way too personal, way too personal. Like, shouldn't be that personal. Like, I shouldn't be airing all that out that I do, so go check it out. Okay, so I'm really excited because we haven't done an iPhone case unboxing and like a whole iPhone case video in quite some time. I have like an iPhone case right now, but she's ripped to shreds. I need a new one. Don't even like this one anymore. I'm really excited right now. So Youngkit sent me a few of their most popular iPhone cases. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in this box, like none at all, like no ideas. So I'm really excited. Youngkit is a 3C digital fashion accessory designer brand. It focuses on the design and development of high quality personal digital peripherals. It integrates the latest trends and creative display modes to inject new vitality into digital fashion accessories. So I'm really excited to get into this, try them on my iPhone 13 Pro. She is begging for an upgrade because right now the case that I have is not cutting it. So this is the Youngkit Technology series. So circuit punk has always been its own unique aesthetic, and that's how they describe these cases. I'm very interested to see what that's all about. Circuit punk, I took physics lab. I know all about circuits. So it has like an industrial aesthetic, which I do love that from time to time. I do love city, industrial, tech vibes. I think that's really sick. And you can get 15% off with my code Jennifer15. So let's get into these cases. Oh my God, there's so many. Oh, they're thick. So this is how they come, and I think they look so sick. Like, this packaging is kind of everything. They look like little suitcases, and like the little top too. Oh my God, this is so cute. Their packaging is so elite. Like, this looks so sick. Okay, let's open this up. So this is the case. I feel like this is really cool if you have like any siblings or parents that are really into tech and like geeky and nerdy stuff. I think this is really sick. And here's another one. I like this design a little bit more because I love like pales and whites and stuff, but I love the reflectiveness of it. I think that's really cool. I don't know if it shows in video, but in person it looks very 3D. It looks like the design was like layered upon layered upon layered, and it looks really cool. And you can tell that the iPhone camera is very protected. There is like a thick barrier for that. Ooh, I like this. This color is really cool, actually. What does it say? Oh my God. Ah, I actually think that's really cute. It says like warning, under 18 requires accompanying parent or adult. I think that's actually like kind of really cool that they have that. And this looks so 3D in person, like all the tech stuff in the back of all these designs. Let's see what the last one has in store. Cute. Okay, cool. Looks kind of similar in color to the last one. These designs are so cool. I could really just like stare at them. They're so intertwined with so many different components. I think it's really sick. Let's put them on my phone. This is my girl. Honestly, the white one is my favorite. I like a bright tone to my cases. Oop, that was put on so fast. The buttons feel smooth. Have you ever had a case where like the buttons feel so hard to press? This feels so nice. Hold up. This is a bougie case. It actually feels so nice. Like, it feels so nice in your hand. It's thin. I hate when cases are big and bulky and you can feel like you're like holding onto your phone like this. Like, no, this is really thin. Honestly, wait, I kind of love it. I also really like that the buttons are black. I think that's like a really great little touch to this case. This is definitely a great gift if you have someone who like loves to code or loves to game or just like really likes tech stuff. Oh, I like this one a lot. Anyone who likes streetwear, I feel like would love this style of iPhone cases. And I love how it feels in my hand. The material is amazing. So it has a double layer pattern design, no fading, anti-fingerprint, anti-scratch, anti-greasiness, smooth, matte, and skin-friendly touch. This protective cover is composed of impact-resistant and flexible TPU, 4 corners with airbag protection, and provides excellent drop protection for your phone. Raised lips offer more protection for screen and camera to prevent surface scratches and smudges. And it's actually made from environmentally friendly material, which I love. This lightweight design keeps the case slim and pocket-friendly, so it also supports wireless charging without removing the case. Also, they do have a bunch of different series, so if technology isn't necessarily your thing, they have like a lot of different series on their website. They have like a leopard series, a secret color series, a summer series, a plain series if you just like plain iPhone cases. So they have a lot of different stuff, so I totally recommend check out their website to see what works for you. I'm obsessed with these cases. They feel so nice, and even if this isn't necessarily your aesthetic, they have so many different cases on their website, so definitely check them out. Youngkit.com, they're definitely luxury bougie iPhone cases. Like an Amazon case could never feel as good as this feels, and I'm being like 100% honest. I'm obsessed. These are actually like really good cases, so I totally recommend Youngkit. If you want 15% off, use my code Jennifer15. Definitely check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you want any more iPhone case videos. Okay. Bye, guys.